Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to process an oil change ticket using Droptop. So it's super simple. Let's get started here at the beginning on the Start Order tab. There's two key ways to put customers through. You can look up a vehicle or look up a customer slash fleet. If I go down the vehicle route, you can scan a VIN using a barcode scanner, or you can just punch in a license plate. When you punch in that license plate, we're directly linked up with Carfax, so we'll get that vehicle information for you instantly. The other option is to click on customer slash fleet. Here's where I can search for a customer or fleet. So as an example, let's search for a customer here. You'll see all my Tims come up. I'm going to work on Tim Thompson today. Here you'll see the customer's information as well as the the vehicles that this customer has brought in the past. So let's select on the vehicle. You're going to see here, this is an existing vehicle, so it's been to my shop in the past. You'll see a bit of information on the vehicle, as well as previous mileage and license plate. So let's punch in the new mileage and say continue. On the servicing tab now, you're going to see a bit of information about Tim. It'll tell you how often he's visited you in the last 12 months, as well as his average ticket value. And this customer loyalty information shows you how that compares, or how Tim compares to the rest of your customers as an average. If I scroll down a bit, you can see past vehicle orders, so I can see all the work that we've done on Tim's car in the past, as well as viewing his historical orders. So if I was ever curious about what we had done in the past and some of those inspections, I can always look back. If we want to see some basic fluid information on the vehicle, here's a bunch of great data. So all of this information comes directly from Motor. Okay. If we scroll down a bit, you'll see the services that my shop offers. So of course, as you get into Droptop, only your services will show up here. This is just a demo account, of course. So if I scroll down a bit, you'll see here's my engine oil service. Now I want to give this customer an oil change, so I'm going to select on engine oil drain and refill. You'll see when it was last serviced, as well as the date. And again, this is all OEM recommended information that comes directly from our data provider Motor. So I can tell we're far past due for this customer's oil change. When I select the service, you'll see all of the packages show up. These are my packages. I've configured the naming conventions as well as the pricing and a whole bunch of flexibility within the packages as well, which we can get to more later on. So as an example, let's do a conventional oil change. When I select the package, you're going to see the package name at the top. And if I scroll down a bit, you're going to see the services that we're providing within that package. So we're going to drain the oil, and here's some information that we're going to need for that service. And if I scroll down, you're going to see we're also going to change the filter, and here's some other information on that service. If I scroll back up, these are all my oils. Well, we only want to select the specific oil we want to use for this service. So I'm going to say, just show me the ones that are verified, and you'll see the ones that are verified here. You can tell which are verified by the little green check mark that shows you positive viscosity match. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to select this bulk oil that I have, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to say, just show me the filters that fit this vehicle. And here's a bunch. So the Baldwin, a Bosch filter, Duramax. I'm going to go with the Baldwin filter. So let's select that. You can also see your in stocks. So it shows that I have one of these items. If I didn't have enough, it would show up in red like this, like the Quaker steak I'm out of stock on, for example. So I'm going to add this to the order. And on the right, you'll see the order is being built out. So here is my oil change package, as well as the the fluids and filter being used in the service. Okay, if I scroll down a bit now, I'm going to also add the inspection group I want to do on this car. You can individually select inspections if you wanted to, but one of the features a lot of our customers love is the ability to custom configure inspection groups. So I'm going to select basic inspection group, and you're going to see in a second how that automatically sets up all the inspections I want my technician to do on this vehicle. I'm going to hit save and continue, and you'll see the order being built out here. So of course you'd configure your logo, your naming, and a bunch of your information at the top here. Here is the customer information. Below that is the vehicle information, and below that is the servicing parts and fluids information. So you'll see our oil change package. What's great about this screen here is that anything you click on that's orange will show you more information. So if I want to see more information on the engine oil service, you'll see a few extra pieces of information from the OEM. Same thing with the part. So if I want to look at this Baldwin filter, If I click into it, you'll see a picture, you'll see some basic specs, and this comes directly from our part catalog provider. Okay, so if I'm happy with this order, of course, sorry, you can also add inventory items. So let's say this customer also wanted a wiper blade. Let's sell them a couple wiper blades, let's give them that one and this one. And we can also add individual discounts if we wanted to, or labor fees, discount, eco fees, whatever you really want to as a one-off item. Okay. If we're happy with this order, we're going to send it to the bay. So we're going to click send to bay. Let's select bay 1, and that's it. Now, everything in Droptop is 100% live real time. So when we made that click, anyone that was looking at this bay screen would have seen Tim come in with the Nissan Versa and a whole bunch of the information that we just punched in for this service. So your technicians now in the bay know exactly what to do on the vehicle and exactly which inspections to complete. They're of course going to do their servicing, and let's say they're going to go and also finish the inspections. So to jump back to the inspections, we're going to add/edit results. Here, again, you can call this whatever you want. You can call each of these inspections whatever you want, and you can even customize the tags within. So these can say whatever you want. Okay, change next time. You can modify these to whatever you want, as well as whatever colors you like. So let's say that's okay. This we got to change soon. That's okay. This looks good. You can also add any notes. Okay, and really cool is you can even add images. If you take a picture from a tablet or a mobile device, you can upload it directly or upload images from a computer. Let's hit save results there. Okay, so let's save this order. Let's go back to the order progress screen real quick. The bay screen is awesome because it shows you everything that's in your bay with a bit more information. The order progress screen is great because it shows you everything that's in your shop right now. So whatever's being checked in, what's being worked on in the bay, what's completed, and what's finalized. So let's say we want to complete this order. We're going to simply complete it. We're going to finalize the order, and we're going to accept payment. Let's say we took cash, and that's it. That's processing an order with Droptop.